Guys, it is day 13. All right, it for me is Friday the 13th. It's a weird day. It's a weird move. I've never done this before. The move of the day is butterfly crunches. And it's a little bit awkward. So if you're not used to butterfly position, your heels are together, your feet are kind of together, like open like a book. You're sitting tall, but we're actually going to be laying down. So the crunches, yes, right here. So you have two options. You can just do a modification where you're lifting from your chest, eyes to the sky. I'm looking at a very blue sky, so it's not going to be very hard for me to keep my eyes there. But the full move is hands, arms extended all the way up. And then you're actually going to do a full sit-up. Oh my God, see, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do even maybe 10 of these in proper position. So I'm gonna do the majority of these in the modified position, okay? But we're gonna do 100. And like I said, I've never done this before. The song I've chosen for today is an old school song. It's called Forget Me Nots. And it was actually the first song that had the disco double clap. And I realized that I love songs with a disco double clap. All right, you guys ready? I don't have a microphone today. All right, deep breath. Right here. It's just gonna do 10 of these. I'm gonna do alternating sets of 10. That's my plan right now. All right. Oh my God, you saw my feet lift, that's not good. All right, right here. And that's 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, that's 20. All right. Part of it is the butterfly position is super awkward. Trying to keep your heels together. Try not to lift your legs. So try to do a very smooth motion. Again, this is not easy. I'm gonna try and think of a different way to put my legs. All right, that's 30. Starting to move on the mat. And I'm really hoping not to get mosquito bites. 8, 9, and 10. All right. Whoa. You gotta really try not to use momentum. It's very hard. I'm trying to slow myself down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we got? I think that's 6. 7, 8, 9, and 10. I think that's 70 now. Reposition yourself on the mat if you're slipping, moving. All right. 2, 3, 74. Okay, 75. It wasn't supposed to be that song. 76. 77. 78. 79. And 80. All right, let me recap. Let me go back. All right, I think we're on our last 20. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. All right. I think this might be our last 10, but I'm gonna probably do a bonus round of 10 just because I'm not sure. 6, 7, 8, lifting for your chest. 9. All right, 10. All right, this is gonna be it. This is our last 10. All right, feet are together. We're gonna try good form, nice and long. All right. Oh, the first one's always hard. But you gotta try not to use momentum. Oh. Oh, sticking my feet together like a book. Okay. I'm just finding a few touch points. Yes. It helps me stay focused. 8. All right. 9. Last one. 10. All right. This is a butterfly right here, like a little book. And we're gonna end with a little stretch, a butterfly stretch. Yes. All right, guys. That was day 13. That was super tough. Tell me how you feel about it. I don't like it. Honestly, I'm just gonna be real with you. That was super tough, and I'm never doing them again.